If You Want Me by Dennis Brown was the first big hit for producer Mikey Bennett back in 1990. The backstory behind this hit song is certainly interesting, so let's hear more in this week's Fiwi Culture segment.
If you want to me, you've got to take me as I am, 'cause I've accepted you for what you are.
How did you manage to get hold of a legendary singer like Dennis Brown to work with him?
Yeah, well, you know, sometimes them say when you're in the right place at the right time and with the right kind of contacts. I was a writer for Anchor Music Works, Gussie Clark, one of our best friends. So he came to me one day and said, he just got a call from David Radigan, who said to him, you must get, there's a guy named Mikey Bennett in Home T4. We had just put out an album, Sly and Robbie Presents Home T4, and I'd written quite a bit of the songs. So he said, you should get that guy to write some songs for Dennis Brown. Dennis Brown need a good album. If you know Gussie, within about a month, that project was on. So we were challenged to write some songs for Dennis Brown, which was like a dream come true to a young writer like myself.
You shouldn't try to change me, love me as I am. Yeah, now.
We decided to do this song for Dennis Brown, If You Want Me. And him came in, and the first 5 notes the man sing, it just felt so perfect. Scorpio is a man who loved the music, loved dub. And him come in and say, Mikey, big tune this. Tell Dennis I want a dub. Because him sound man loved dub plate. If You Want Me came out, and it was just magic right away, magic.
If you need me, you've got to try to understand. You shouldn't try to change me, love me.
As a young producer, the problem is airplay. You'd have sending the song, and this and begging and listening out for the song. As it came out, it just started to play.
If you're not happy with the package, let's forget this talk about marriage.
I used to go to One Love every Thursday evening. And let me tell you, man, you go to One Love and it's like the amount of time your song pull up as a producer, you just feel your heart getting bigger and bigger. It was my entry into this whole being accepted as a producer and everything. But I was so excited about being in a position to work with somebody like a Dennis Brown. And then it got better, bigger. Barry's call, boy, look how long, them kind of vibes. So you realize, this is what it means to be a hit producer.
So for this week's Pree Vox Pop segment, we took to the streets to ask the people them, would you do a DNA test on a child where you're never sure about? Well, we certainly got some interesting responses. Let's hear them.
Why Pree?
Definitely.
Why?
Definitely. Better for sure now than for unsure later.
Suppose she says she don't want to do it.
Suppose she says she don't want, that means she have something to hide. Why she would want to do it if she's sure?
Yeah.
She's supposed to say, all right, go ahead.
Yeah.
She's supposed to have something to prove.
Yeah.
So she's not supposed to have a problem with that.
No, really, I wouldn't do that.
You wouldn't do that, what make? You trust her like that?
Yeah, I trust her like that. Because we all live together, you get me? Although I know about we can go on, but I wouldn't really do that still, you get me? We have to really sure say I don't mind one, you get me?
So if you pick me brown like me, you still would do a paternity test?
No, we don't have to do that now, because me black. You get me? So we don't have to do that now, you get me? And see what I want. Because I want to find out, you get me? Couldn't just want to live with it and know I'm me black and she.
And she black too?
Yeah, we have to find out that. We don't have to do that now.
What if she said that, no, she don't want to do no paternity test on the youth, you're a youth?
No man, something wrong man. Something must wrong man.
She hide something.
You're right, you get me? Me have to want to know and she don't must want me know what I go on, you get me? So I couldn't trust her if you brown and me black. No way, you get me?
Yeah.
We'd have to take a test, trust me.
Him probably not really trust you 100% and want to end up of a youth. And him say, "Man, go do a DNA test on the youth, a paternity test." Would you allow him to do that?
Of course, then I feel him. Who else me? I must him.
So you go and go do the test?
Go and go do it.
And prove yourself.
Put my money too. And we could do it together. Because since that you don't trust me, I don't trust you either. Because I must yours. I can't mind. I never myself alone. I did you with me. So if you don't want to do it, it's your business. But me have to do it because I want you know say it's your one.
Long time.
What make?
Because if the appearance depends on the appearance, and me have to take care right, so you have to know what is what same way, because them girls like nowadays not trustworthy, too tough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What if she said, oh, boy, I hear you today, so nah, do no DNA test, because I know I hear one for sure.
Boy, by law, me can go get a Sammons guy, family court, and get a Sammons, so she can't stop me. Me no hear that. So she can't stop me from go get DNA. She have to do it if me really want it.
Right, una in a relationship and thing, but him not too trust you, but a child comes along later down the line and say want to do a paternity test. Would you allow that?
Yes, yeah, because I'm tell you something. There's enough women out there, the whole of them get jackets. At the end of the day, some man loyal, some man are loyal. So at the end of the day, yeah, that can do for 2 years because some of them want when you tell them say I feed them, they say I feed them. So why not?
Yes.
Why?
Because if she not trust her, and you know she do certain things, I still would have it in mind. You do the DNA test.
Yeah. Suppose she says she don't want to do the DNA test, though.
Well,
She'll say, yo, you're one.
She was guilty or something.
Yeah.
Because I was say this baby is not my own. Because it look like she want to give me a baby is not mine.
Yeah. Well, those are the views of the people. Tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
Port Antonio, but nah lie, the place nice. But until next time, you don't know I'm your host Nalda Addy, closing out this week's episode of Pree Dis.